After watching our video, a friend appeared who also decided to remove the famous rubber valves on his test. Now we are going to remove the boxes from Tesla. We will put these plugs with you, which I have already shown in previous videos. We will lay down dehumidifiers, and we will collect everything again later. We will also make a video and shoot a carabash to climb up to the valves. This is how we will have another vidushka. Everything is here on the armpits. There are bolts at the bottom. Well, in general, we continue. They removed the box, and what do we see? Beauty, right? Here, we have bolts that hold the anther to reach the valves. Well, look, we took pictures of it all. Boxes. Filth is terrible. Now we will continue to shoot. Now there will be a solemn moment. How much extra weight we carry. These are sleek, breathable valves. High God soap. Actually, as you can see, they are orange-colored at first, and now look at what kind of G it's all. God, what a better lip I'll get, guys, this is it. Man, can I have a soft one? And look, can everyone see? These are all breathing valves, sorry for the French. It's the same here like this, so the first valve was missing. Maybe you don't need to hit. Guys, well look, the best finger check got dry, and that's good. Yes, how it was necessary to invent such a thing, and put it right under the wheel, and most importantly, in the new models, it has already been removed. You know, I had a bodice, no valves, no problems. I had an electric Mercedes. No problems, no valves. The Chinese was also the one, without any very necessary, I emphasize, ventilation valves. Oh, she wants to breathe this battery. We remove the second side. Now let's visit the beauty here. I doubt there will be anything else here. We remove the beauty of the second left side. It's even cleaner here. In general, at least on the table of the festive lodge, but you can still see the amount of dirt yourself. You see, here is the dirt, and these circles, these valves lie completely in this. The battery breathes, as they say. So we wiped the valves, and in general, now we are blowing off the compressor from above here, and we will pull out one valve at a time. Degrease the sealant, fold these are dryers and back. And we do this one at a time, so that the battery does not stand in an open case, namely alternately. These are the plugs we will be using with you. Now we have cleaned it for now, then we degrease the sealant that goes on the battery, and this is how it will look like. Now we are sealing the corks, smearing the sealant. And now we are going to insert this into the battery. We put the KOLKHOZ batteries in the hole there, it probably won't be visible. There it glows, and there's a cork. Is it visible? Everything is like this macker. We continue. That's how we got a little bit equal hermetic. That's how macker will be. In general, it can be seen that we are already doing this for the second car. We put the silica gel. That's how it turns out. So you see the bags we will report. A normal little place does not fit. There is a car, it is there on one of my videos. There are only pipes going there. That's how they put 6 pieces on the glue of the cork. Here you can see, it just turns out that the silica becomes, as it were, on the partition. Well, in the process of driving, she will already do her job. We've done this whole side. These trestles are all sorts of things that are hanging tomorrow. We will carefully cut off pieces with wire cutters, and do everything so as not to smear them anymore. Well, I think that's pretty sensible. All in a circle. And here, I show you the native side, that is. You see all these valves, as they say that the battery was breathing. How will it breathe? You've seen these boxes, these dusters that were here, but just leavened in this mud. And what is the battery problem in the test? Got water, got to repair. It is necessary to exclude such a large number of chances of water getting into the battery. Well, then we collect.